Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start with the input stream. In last lecture, we have covered the topic multi-threading, and now we are going to start with input-output stream. So in this point, we are going to cover introduction, byte-oriented stream, then character-oriented streams, file, random access file, and serialization. Okay, let's start with the topic. So first of all, we must know about the Java input-output. Java input output is the process is used to get the input and produce the desired output. So for that we have to include the package java.io. In that, all the classes which are performing the which have stored all the methods related to the input output operations. Next point is stream. In Java, a stream is a sequence of data. In Java, a stream is composed of bytes. It is called a stream because it's like a stream of water that continues to flow. So whatever the characters or whatever the bytes are used in a file is nothing but the stream. There are three types of stream. First one is the system.out. This is standard output stream used to write the content on the output stream or on console or on output window. System.in is used to read the input from the read the input, and system.error, whatever the error generated, to display that error we use standard error stream. Okay, this is the example of system.out, system.out.println simple message, and this is for the error system.error.println error message. So next point is difference between output stream and input stream. Output stream is used to write the data to the destination, that is on file or an array, peripheral device, or the socket. So whenever we want to write the data, we use output stream, and whenever we want to read the data from the destination, from the source, we use input stream. Okay, so this is our source where we read this data, and this is in the byte format. And after that data, if we want to store on a file or console on socket, we use output stream. So for this, we to read the data we use input stream, to write the data we use output stream. So our next point is useful methods in output stream. So these are the method. First one, void write, used to write the byte to the current output stream. Next one is write byte, uh, write byte, right? And in this we pass the parameter as a byte. It is used to array of byte. It is used to write array of byte to the current output stream. Next one is flush. Flush used to clear the current output stream, and close to close the output stream. So this is the diagram. This is the hierarchy. This is the class output stream. It is inherited from file output stream, byte array output stream, filter output stream, pipe output stream, and object output stream. But we use file output stream. It again derives three classes: data output stream, buffer output stream, and print output stream. So let's start with so next one is the input stream. In output stream we have seen these are the methods. In input stream, these methods are: first one is the read, second one is public integer available. So second method is available. uh, Read method, if read is the next byte of the data from the input stream, it returns -1 at the end of the file. So whenever the file totally read, then it returns -1. That it indicates that your file ends now. Next one is the available, returns an estimate of the number of the bytes that can be read from the current input stream. So the number of bytes read are given by available, and last one is close, to close the input stream. So this is the hierarchy of input stream. Here the input stream is a class, which is which derive the file input stream, byte array input stream. Just wait. File input stream, pipe input stream, object input stream, and file input stream. Again divide data input stream, buffer input stream, pushback input stream. So first, let's discuss one by one. First, Java file output stream class. In that, the methods are, so we are now discussing this one, output stream, file output stream. Okay. So in this is also used to write the data, file output stream class, and its syntax is public class file output stream extend output stream. So it is extended from output stream. So output stream is derived file output stream. So file output stream can acquire the properties of output stream. Okay. So these are the methods that we can use in file output stream. So first one is the finalize. It used to clean up the connection with the file output stream. Write method used to write array dot length bytes from array. Then word write, it accepts the parameter byte array, integer offset, integer length. Integer offset is given the starting point. Len is given the length of the byte. Next one is void write. It is used to specify byte to the output stream. File channel get channel. This method is used to return the file channel object. File descriptor get FD. It is used to return the file descriptor associated with the stream. And final method is close, is used to close the output stream. So let's see one program. In that, we write data in a test.out file. Okay. For that, we open the notepad. So we will store our program on desktop. So I just copy this program. Paste it here. I change the class name with FOS1. FOS1. Okay, in small letter. FOS1. Okay. Instead of using file output stream, I use star. So it will import java.io.star. So it will import all the classes reside in a java.io. We write the data in this file, but this file is not present now. So we have to create it. So on D drive, we create the file testout.txt. So we again open one more notepad, and here we just save the file with the name test out on D drive. So here it is a D drive, and on this I store the program with name testout.txt and I save it. And in this program, we first import java.io so that we can use the different methods that are reside in java.io package. Here I write the class with name FOS1. Here I write the string, here I write the main method, and here we create an object of file output stream. So how we create an output object, file output stream fout is equal to new file stream output stream, and here we pass the file name where we want to save our data. So here I write fout dot write 65. So 65 is nothing but the ASCII character for capital A. After that we close the file and we write here success, and if any error occurs, that we catch in a catch block. Here we write catch exception E and system.out.println E. So whatever the error will be generated here, it will show by system.out.println method. So let's run this program. For that, we just open the command prompt, administrator. I change the directory with desktop. Here we comes on a desktop and I run the file javac fos1.java. Oh, file not found. On desktop it's not present. So where it is saved? Oh, I forget to save it. So save. On desktop. Again go to command prompt and run the same file. So the file get compiled. We execute the program. So here we execute the program, we get an output success. And now we are going to open our file. We store it on a D drive with name file out. So file out on D drive. Sorry, test out. Test out. Its name is test out. Here we get, and we open that file and we find the capital A. If we change the ASCII character, suppose I write 99 and save it. Again, we go to command prompt and execute our code. Here again we get the success, and right now it's in open stage. Again we are going to open. Again we go here and open. So here we find the 99 number for the small c. Okay, so whatever the ASCII number we enter, we get the character from it. Okay, so this is the first program where we write the single character into file. Next program, if we want to write a text character, a stream, then let's see what to do. So again we go to our program. So here Java file output stream, second example, to write the string. Suppose we want to write a string, same program we do, just here instead of taking single byte, we use byte b array. So whatever the character we want to write in a file, here we want to write welcome to Java, and that will store in a test.out.txt. Here first we create an object, and then we write the string whatever we want to write in a file, then create a byte array, byte b array, s.getByte. S.getByte will get the string from string s, and that store in a byte array. Then we use write method to write in a file output stream, that is in this file. After that we close, print success method, sorry, print success message. If any error occurs, that we catch in a catch block. So again we just copy this program from here. Again, we run the same program, save it, and your class name is FOS1. Go to command prompt, run program, and here we get the success method. It must be close. Again, go to drive D and open the file. Here we get the message, welcome to Java. If we change our message, then also it reflected in a file. So let's go to the program. Welcome to ICS. Again, go and run the program. And here we get the output. Welcome to ICS. Okay. So this is our first program used to write in the file. So next we are going to see input stream. Okay. Next we are going to see file input stream class. It is used to write in sorry, it is used to read the data which are stored in a file. Okay. So the data may be image, audio, video that we can read using file reader class. So its syntax is public class file input stream extends input stream. These are the different methods that we are going to use to read data from a file or to perform some operation. So integer available, return the estimate number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. Integer read, it is used to read the byte from the input stream. Read byte array, we use b dot length method. Integer read, it is used to read up to lane of bytes data from the input stream. Then long skip, it is used to discard the x bytes of the data from the input stream. So for us, the important one is read method. Okay, so let's see its example. Here we are going to read the data from the file. For that, we first create an object file input stream fin is equal to new file input stream. So from where we want to write the data, read that data. So here we specify the file name, file test output. So whatever the content write in this file, we read on our console. So here integer I fin dot read. So this read method is used to read from the file object, file input stream object, that is fin. So whatever the data that are that we read and store in a integer I. So here we store the ASCII characters, and that characters are in number, and that we want to convert in a character. So here we use char. Okay, it will converts the integer or ASCII character, ASCII number into character, and that will print on our screen. So here we just read single character, and after that the program get closed. So we just see the output of the program. Here I change the name with FOS. FOS already present. Yeah, FOS1. Save the program. Test out is already present here. Let's run the program. clear the screen. And here we read the single character from it. Okay, because here we use single integer array, integer not an array, so it will accept only single character. So next program is used to read the all characters from the file. For that we use while loop, while I is equal to fin dot read method. So until read method not equal to -1. Why we use -1? Because the end of file return -1. So here we check the condition whether the file get ends, and up to it ends we read the character, and that we store, that we are not going to store, that we print only. Okay, so let's run this program. Everything are same, only the difference is while loop. Here I write FOS1 for our convenience. Here we create an object fin, and that we read until its value is -1, that is up to end of file, and that character we read, that we print using system.out.print. Okay, very simple program. And to run it, we compile the program and run, and here we get the output, welcome to ICS. Okay, so whatever the we write in a file, that we will get as an output. Okay, so next one is Java buffered output stream class. Java buffered output stream class is used for buffering the output stream. ओके, म्हणजे त्यातला जो काही डेटा आहे जो राईट करायचा तो बफर मध्ये स्टोअर केला जातो. इट इज इंटरनली यूज द बफर टू स्टोअर द डेटा. इट ऍड मोर इफिशियन्सी दॅन टू राईट डिरेक्टली इन टू स्ट्रीम, सो इट मेक्स परफॉर्मन्स फास्ट. आता राईट करताना एक एक कॅरेक्टर राईट होणार आहे. सो जर आपण पहिलं आउटपुट स्ट्रीम, जर फाईल आउटपुट स्ट्रीम यूज करत असलो तर त्यामध्ये डायरेक्ट राईट केलं जायचं. इथं बफर मध्ये पहिल्यांदा स्टोअर होणार आणि त्यानंतर राईट होतं, तर त्यामुळे त्याचा परफॉर्मन्स इम्प्रूव्ह होतो. त्यासाठी आपण आयओ पॅकेज यूज करतो. आता हे बघा, या मेथड्स आहेत, सॉरी कन्स्ट्रक्टर आहे. हा कन्स्ट्रक्टर क्रिएट केला जातो फॉर रायटिंग द डेटा इन अ स्पेसिफिक आउटपुट स्ट्रीम. असे दोन कन्स्ट्रक्टर्स आहेत, आणि त्याचबरोबर या मेथड्स यूज केल्या जातात राईट करण्यासाठी, बाईट ॲरे राईट करण्यासाठी आणि क्लिअर करण्यासाठी. तर हे एक्झाम्पल आहे. त्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण ओके, त्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण एक स्ट्रिंग जी आहे ती राईट करणार आहे. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये बघा काय केलंय. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट केलाय फाईल आउटपुट स्ट्रीमचा, ज्या फाईल मध्ये आपल्याला राईट करायचं आहे. ओके, त्यानंतर एक बफर आउटपुट स्ट्रीम आपण यूज केलं, त्याचा ऑब्जेक्ट बनवला बी आउट, आणि तो ऑब्जेक्ट, त्या ऑब्जेक्ट मध्ये, त्या कन्स्ट्रक्टर मध्ये आपण या ज्या फाईलचा डेटा किंवा त्या फाईल मधले कॅरेक्टर आपल्याला रीड करायचे आहेत, तो ऑब्जेक्ट आपण इथं पास केला. नंतर आपण एक स्ट्रिंग राईट केली, ती स्ट्रिंग बाईट ॲरे मध्ये घेतली, आणि नंतर आपण राईट मेथड यूज करून राईट केली. नंतर फ्लश क्लिअर केला बफर, त्यानंतर बी आउट क्लोज केला, एफ आउट क्लोज केला, आणि सक्सेस म्हणून मेसेज दिला. तर हे काय करेल, तर आपला हा जो काही स्ट्रिंग डेटा आहे तो टेस्ट डॉट आउट मध्ये राईट करेल. आपण बघूया. हा प्रोग्राम मी कंपाईल केला आणि इथं पेस्ट केला. इथं मी चेंज केलं नेम त्याचं FOS1. इथं ती फाईल सेम आहेच, आणि आपल्याला तिथं हा मेसेज आपल्याला राईट करायचा आहे. ठीक आहे, बघूया आउटपुट काय येते. Again, we run the same file. Here we get the success. Let's check in a file. So here we get welcome to Java T point message. Okay. Next. So next one is buffer input stream. So it's opposite to buffer output stream. In output stream, we used to write the data into the file. To read it, we use buffer input stream. So these are the constructor that we use to read from a file, buffer input stream. Here we pass an object of input stream. So first of all, we have to create an object of input stream, and that we pass as a object in a buffer input stream. And these are the method. So available gives the whatever the characters read from the file. Read is used to read uh, read read byte data. Close is to close, reset to clear. Mark is used to use the mark method for the general contract. Long skips the particular character, and mark suppose. This is the boolean data type. It used to test the input stream, support the mark and reset method. So this is the example. Here we first create an object of file input stream, that is fin, and that we pass to the buffer input stream constructor. So be in new buffer input stream and fin we pass it. So here we use while I is equal to bin dot read not equal to -1, and that we use to print using system dot out dot print method. Okay, and that we print in an integer, and that we convert using character. Okay, after that we close the bin dot close and object of byte stream and file stream using close method. We copy the program, open the notepad, control A, control V, and save. So here we change the name with FOS1, compile the program and run. So in that file we have the character welcome to Java T point that we read and display on our console. Okay. Next, sequence input and sequence output stream that we are going to see in our lecture. Okay. So today we are covered file output stream, file input stream, file buffer reader. Sorry, buffer. Next one is the buffer output stream and buffer input stream. Okay. So here we end with our lecture. Tomorrow we are going to discuss some other classes used to read and write in a file. Okay. So thank you.